Hope you guys are having a good day today, man. You get something done. Not today. Today is Thursday the 5th. 10-2 or 10-5. My bad. I'm taking half day off today. I've got so much stuff I got to get done personally that and I got no work orders except for a stove. They say that it's not heating properly. It's probably just a lower burner. Never know. So I talked to the boss and about the shop, and I'm gonna do it. She agreed that it'd be a good idea to set those big shelves up, and so I can organize all the supplies that is in the shop. There is parts in there, but it's all miscellaneous stuff. But there is some money saving material in there. But that way I also, with having those big shelves in here, I can order some stuff. The filters, instead of having to go to the office to get the filters out, I can have them up on the top, and it's real. Pull in here, grab a filter, and go. You know what I mean? The only major problem I'm gonna have, all of this stuff is pretty easy to move around. This, I can empty that out fairly quickly. It's lightweight. You can take it over. I can get that in there, no problem. This big old toolbox, though, man, I'm gonna have a problem with that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might sell it because I got this one. This is the bomb. This will stay in the shop because if I'm gonna work on a car or the truck, whatever, that way there's just miscellaneous stuff in that. That's all it's in there. So my connection down at Haybeggar, his name is Mark, super cool guy. Me and him have dealt with each other for, like 5-6 years, something like that. He was here. We were shooting a breeze one day about the shop. He was in here, and he eyeballed that. It's 24 and a half inches deep. It's a massive cabinet, and he said it would be perfect in his shop. Well, I paid $800 for it, so I probably let it go for $600 just to get it out of my life. You know what I mean? Because the $600 I can put towards like some pack out stuff, the new wall setup that I'm going to do. This bench table back here in the back, it's perfect for setting up the computer. Might even use this table as a computer table. Well, I don't know. I definitely gonna get a high back. This is a DeWalt roll around. It's all right. You know, it's good. It's comfortable if you sit on it for a long time. Your butt kind of gets a little tender, but they also have a high back, which has a backrest. Not that I'm gonna be kicking back in all the time, but so I guess that's gonna be a scratch on painting that door. But there's all kinds of cool stuff I could do in the front bedroom, because it's just a blank canvas. Right now it's my workout room, so I don't know what I'll do with that stuff. I'll probably sell that stuff. I don't work out anymore. I'll probably keep the Bowflex, because it's just resistance. So in the cold months, when things slow down, I like kind of doing a little workout in the mornings, just to get the blood pumping, get the body, because I'm old, dude. I'm getting ready to turn 53. Believe that, guys? I'm 52. Or am I 50? Yeah, I'm 52. So, for an old guy, man, I sure get a lot of stuff done. So the Mac, I got my keyboard in yesterday. Sat down, I got everything running. Woo, I was tickled pink. I started at 6 o'clock. I didn't get off my computer until midnight. That was just to upload a video, because the file videos off the GoPro going to Mac. So I figured it out. I downloaded a program to transfer the files. That worked perfect. That actually wasn't too bad. But then to get it to upload to YouTube, as of midnight last night, it was still an hour and 20 minutes. So I had to change some settings on that and reload it, which is the video you just watched, number 33. It's a learning curve, man. And then my dude, oh man, what's his name? one of my subscribers, Zach, me and him been shooting the breeze back and forth texting. We joking around about that. Anyways, super cool guy. So in regards to the Milwaukee tool bag, there's a problem with that. I'd love to give it away to one of you guys. Problem is the shipping on that. It's outrageous. Because the first tool giveaway I did, I was going to send that guy that bag, but it was going to cost me like $70 freaking dollars. I'm like, man, for another $30 I could buy a brand new one. You know what I mean? They're only like $100, you know. But anyways, I don't know what I'll do with that bag. I have a new item that I'm working on right now for the merchandise. It is the same exact one of these, but it's my carabiner that has all the disconnect or the quick connect bit holders. I love it, man. I've never lost a bit out of that. It's been really high quality since I bought it, and I've had it for like 6 months, and I've never had a problem with it. That's the reason why something like that I'll stand behind, because it's a good product. You know, a lot of them cheap things, man, they fall apart. But so I'm thinking about doing the carabiner attachment with a sticker for like $15 or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Working on it. So we have a little product I'm going to give you a little demonstration on. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Dobo, I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, this is a laser. It's one of the brightest lasers that I've ever used. I can definitely say that much. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff, the remote, batteries, charger, everything you need. But we'll take this over and do a breakdown on it in a vacant apartment. Cool. So we gotta go look at the stove real quick and see what's going on. Let's go do it, man. Well, that's an easy fix. Just replace the element on that. But I don't have one, so I'm gonna put it off till tomorrow morning, because I am taking a half day off today, and it's 7 till 12, so I'm done for the day. I think I'll show you guys my front room, and I might share that. We'll see. So this is my front room. It's my fitness room. Treadmill, lifters, whatever, Bowflex. I found this in an apartment, and I thought it was freaking hilarious. That's the only reason why that's up there. I'm not one of these government Trump people. I'm not against nor for. You know what I'm saying? I just thought it was funny looking and hung it up. These are a couple big flags I bought from We Working. That was pretty cool. It's a good inspirational thing. And then same thing here. You know, everybody wants the money and nobody wants to work. But anyways, so it's a good sized room. It's about twice the size of the shop. I don't use this room, and I can reorganize this, repaint the walls, of course. But and no, I'm not nasty. That's actually some sort of oil that bled through the paint after I put it up. But anyways, so yeah, I'm considering using this space for office or studio / shop, but I'm not gonna work in here, you know, because I had a couple of people make comments about it. I don't plan on doing any work in here. This is just where I thought about putting my tools, my big toolboxes, my cubbies, put my tools in here, because the shop is still gonna be the shop. If I've got to work on something, because big air compressor is still gonna stay there, and my roll around is still gonna be there. So if I got to work on something, you know, like clean up a motor or something like that, that's where I'd go. That's where I would store the snow blower in the wintertime. I could roll it in there. That way it's warm. Because because there's no heat in there, but I can put a small portable heater in there. That way, you know, I just think it'd make a lot more sense for me, because I can do a studio shop. That way when I'm doing the videos or the morning feeds or something like that, I don't have to go all the way over there to do a 10-minute morning brief or whatever. So yeah, it's just something to definitely consider, because this is living space. I know a couple of the guys thought that I was going to be working in this. I'm not going to work in it. It's just somewhere so I can put my tools and do some cool stuff. Tool reviews, you know, stuff like that. I'm getting kind of tired of doing those tool reviews, man. But anyways, I really don't get paid from them. I'm not sponsored by them, but I make a couple dollars every time somebody buys it. But the product's expensive. So anyways, so yeah, it'd be cool. I could set up my shop. This would be the shop wall, and then this wall here, I would probably just paint it green. So the reason why is because you want to do a background, you know, you need a green screen. Just do the whole wall green. I've got the paint, so we'll see how that pans out. It's a lot of work to move that stuff around. Anyways, I've also lost my diffuser cover on my light. It's a little plastic cover, so the light's like triple bright on me right now. It's been like that all day. So anyways, I think I'm just gonna call it a day, man. I know it's a lot of gab and talk, and we do have the stove to fix tomorrow, but it's no big deal. And that other apartment, I'll turn that tomorrow too, so, which you will probably see that video on Monday. Cool. All right, guys, we'll speak to you soon, man.
Tell them who you